So guys, today I thought maybe I'd just do a little soldering with you. Show you how I like to solder. I always solder Ec5 connectors. These are the connectors I always use. I stand by them. I love them. I get like, I think it's 10 pairs on Amazon for like 14 bucks. So yeah, they're kind of cheaper version connectors. They're not like Ec5s or Horizon Hobby Ec5 connectors. These connectors work great. This big roll of solder, it's almost gone now, as you can see how much I solder, but this is like, I think 4 bucks on Amazon. This solder gun is the Xtronic model number 320. I'll post a picture of it at the end of the video so you guys can see it. Well, let's get into this. So as you can see, Sidewinder 4 wires, or any Castle wires, really come pre-tinned, which is nice. You don't gotta worry about it. I slide my Ec5 on my plus and my minus wires, as you can see there on the side of the Ec5. So start with that. It doesn't really matter what side you start on. Today, I'm gonna start on the negative side because it's just because I feel like it. Let your guys' soldering irons preheat, and then just go ahead and stick the solder down in there. I like to hold my solder gun down in there, just get it all nice and warm and hot, and then eventually your solder will just like go into a soup. Be careful if it is hot. So as you can see there, just going right in. Just make sure you get enough solder down in there. Careful putting your solder on your lips if it's hot. Just go ahead and take that, stick it directly down in there. Make sure it cools. Then you can pull your fixing. There you go, guys. That is one side soldered. And I'm today also going to share my secret with you of how I get these to go into there the easiest way I found. Put that on in there. I like to point so the cup opening is towards me. Grab some more solder because I don't know, I just got that little tiny wire there left. I don't want to use that. Take a pretty good amount of solder, of course. So just go ahead, as you guys can see how hot my soldering iron is, it just melts instantly. Go ahead and put that down in there, let it get hot. When it's hot enough, you'll start feeling the solder breaking off and just going right down in like it is there. Go ahead, stick it right down in there with it burning hot. Careful guys when doing this, don't burn your fingers or nothing. So pick it up again, come out. There you go guys, you got 2 perfectly good soldered wires. As you can see, that one's kind of a little crinkled sideways, and actually so is that one. That's not really going to affect anything. What I like to do to get these in there is I put them down like that, and then I'll grab this end here, which should be, I believe they call this the female end. I could be mistaken on these. I'll go push it down on there like that. Then I'll grab my channel. I'm going to turn this off so it starts to cool down. I'll stick my channel locks. Very gently, just, you can hear that pop, that means it's in there. And what I'll do is I grab this out. So as you can see, that one's in there. Go ahead and do this side quick. And just pop down in there. Good enough for me. So as you guys can see, there's a perfectly good soldered Ec5 end. Gets hot, it should come out. I will grab a battery. Here is a 3S battery just to plug in. Make sure it's good to go. And as you can see, We got our lights flashing. We are good to go, guys. So that is how you solder ends, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe.